This is for my babies. My beautiful baby.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi, if this is your first time, you're welcome to the family. My name is KNOTLESS, and today in this video we are going to be doing a small knotless box braid. And as you can see, I already went ahead to section my hair, which I did overnight, and I'm set to start making the hair now, guys. So guys, I went ahead to use the darling hair, and I bought the big expression and the superstar because I wanted it to be very long. So guys, after trying to stretch it out, this is what I got, and I think I got about 8 of these sizes from 8. So as you can see guys, I started off with the front, which is the very first time I'm trying to braid my hair from the front, and I was so loving it because it wasn't that stressful. It was fun while making my hair. This is not a detailed tutorial, but just braid with me guys.
Natural things that I love about you, like your pretty smile. Our love is natural, and even if you let your hair go wild, take a break from your favorite stilettos. You're naturally my favorite girl, hands down, and that's how it's gonna be. You and me, so no, now you don't have to put on makeup every baby. I love your natural hair that way. Pretty in the world is your smiling face, 'cause baby I love it's natural. Baby, you don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even try. That's for real. Perfect as you are, you don't have to change. I love, baby, I love it's natural. And even if you let your hair go wild, you can take a break from your favorite stilettos. You're naturally my favorite girl. You're naturally my favorite. That's how it's gonna be. You and me, so no lie. And even if you let your hair go wild and your feet take a break from your favorite stilettos. You're naturally my favorite girl, hands down, and that's how it's gonna be. You and me, so no now. To put on makeup every day, and I love your natural hair that way. Pretty in the world is your smiling, 'cause baby I love it's natural. You don't have to put on high heels. You look good when you don't even try. You don't have to change, 'cause baby I love it's natural. And even if you let your hair go wild and your feet take a break from your favorite stilettos, you're naturally my favorite girl, hands down, and that's how it's gonna be. You and me, so no now. Not to put on makeup every day, and I love your natural hair that way. Pretty in the world is your smiling face, 'cause baby I love it's natural. You don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even try. For real, perfect as you are, you don't have to change, 'cause baby I love it's natural. It's for my babies. My beautiful baby. Today I saw you all stressed out. You couldn't even leave the house. All of this pressure you put on yourself. I think you're beautiful. I don't is your smiling face. Cause baby, I love, it's natural. You don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even.
So guys, as you can see, I'm done with one part. I actually braided the hair halfway so that later on I can just settle down and plait the remaining of the hair. So that is what I did for everything before I braided it to the tip. So I'm done with one part of the front, and this is what the front looks like. This is what the front looks like, and I am so loving it, babies. Like, I am so loving it. It turned out so well, and I started braiding off at the back. This is the first time I'm trying this routine of braiding my hair from the front first before going to the back. I've always been braiding my hair from the back to the front, but now I'm braiding my hair to the front to the back, and I can really say I enjoyed braiding from the front to the back, and I will definitely try it out again. So if you want to braid your hair, I think you should try out braiding from the front to the back. Okay, why I tried braiding my hair from the front to the back was because I wanted the front to be very neat. So I noticed whenever I braid from the back to the front, when I get to the front, I'm always kind of like tired and exhausted. So my own is just so that I finish the hair and that's it. But I noticed sometimes the front is really not that like nice. It doesn't, like, it's not giving each time I'm done making the hair. So what I did on this one was just to start on the front, and the bees, it was looking so fine. So this is me braiding my hair at the back, and this hair wasn't really stressful. It was fun all through. I didn't really feel like I was really stressing myself or like doing like something very serious. I was just enjoying the process. You get.
That's how it's gonna be, you and me. So no, now you don't have to put on makeup, cause baby, I love your natural hair that way. Pretty in the world is your smiling face. Cause baby, I love, it's natural. Baby, you don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even try.
So guys, I'm done braiding the hair from the tip. This is the next day because I started making the hair like 3 p.m. the other day, so I had to stop, and I'm done braiding the hair to the tip. I actually decided to like quit the tips, so I'm done braiding everything down to where I will quit the tips, and now I want to quit the tips. So what I did was, I didn't want to use anything. I just wanted to do something very simple. I just needed to like braid the hair downwards, and that was it. So guys, I sectioned it into 4 parts and braided it, and this is what it's looking like. You want to make sure it's equal, and then I kept it in hot water.
Smiling face, cause baby, I love, it's natural. You don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even try. For real, perfect as you are. You don't have to change, cause baby, I love, it's natural.
So guys, this is what we are looking like. This is how the head turned out to be. So beautiful, and I am so loving it, babies. Like, this is how it turned out. This color is one of my, I won't call it my favorite color, but it always turns out so well whenever I do this color of braids. And these are the coils, and it came out so fine, so defined, and I am loving it, babies. You definitely want to try this hair by yourself. That is the fun part of it. You want to make this hair yourself, and this is how it turned out. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if this is your first time watching my video, please subscribe down below and hit the notification bell to get notified on every of my video. Alright guys, this is all for now. Can't wait to see you guys in my next one. Until then, stay fabulous, stay blessed, bye.